ZTE is the first company to launch a phone in market with an in-display selfie camera, and today we have got our first look at the ZTE Axon 40 Ultra, which is a premium flagship and has a third generation under-display selfie camera tech. So let's get started. The phone back is looking premium and flagship. The camera design is too good with amazing looks. Axon 40 Ultra got a 5000 mAh battery and yes, surprisingly 80 watt fast charger comes in the box. The phone has a 6.8 inches FHD plus AMOLED curved display, 120Hz refresh rate, it's not adaptive but okay, and 1500 nits peak brightness, 93% screen to body ratio. On the top front, 16 megapixel under display selfie camera with 4K 30fps video recording option, and selfie camera is completely invisible. Inside the phone, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 4nm processor, Adreno 730 GPU, LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Unfortunately, no any waterproof certificate. And now finally talk about the camera. The phone comes with 3x 64 megapixel cameras. First 64 megapixel Sony IMX787 standard camera with 8K 30fps, 4K 60fps and 1080p 60fps video recording option. 64 megapixel Sony IMX787 periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom, and finally 64 megapixel ultra wide lens. Overall, ZTE Axon 40 Ultra is very similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra and really very difficult to choose one. And if you are interested in know about price, check description. So this all guys, thank you so much for watching and I will meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.